Saudi Arabia 4 year against Argentina no. Who GDS Ghana and I'm watching any Portugal share bit my Bisana.
Because Ghana squad and you been Saudi Arabia. So Ghana can Saudi Arabia share. Yamo my 5-6 gen Kebesha mo. The way GD say the best Portugal. I'm watching now 3 goals to 0. The day you better go. The day you better first go. I'm Ghana. Now
we need it.
When I you know. When I let's go Baba no. Nike better 2 goals. I'm Ghana. They will did this and I watch out there. Ghana for nyina me fe young from to ho. Ne mom pa infanta boys na chi na boys no wo gidi wo avim amayen. So o qualify ama do semi final. The more can no. Okay.
Inti e busa say ka say prediction Ghana baby e betimi do World Cup ya be ka say e be doing fa.
We do semi final.
Semi final. Two years sure pa.
Pa sure pa. No sure pa.
Eno ye hu the Saudi Arabia for e dey Argentina. Nyam watch na Ghana Black Stars and Portugal and Ebo. Mu are hye mu say Ghana e betimi ayi bibia na say betimi pull up an upset.
Oh, me worry shemu pa because the side for no year no. Ama me nkran se kese ye pa say ye betimi a Portugal. Now one thing is say coach ni ye collect selection. Say ne be ya efefo no mfo mo nwuram no ade na adwen be selection. Na keeper no so na me say da nyini ni sa. Ka me madwi mu ka me fi say dan la de da. Ka be boy bebre sin atizigi. So no be da. Ti me go gidie say ye be Portugal. Ya nya de kura tu a be so mu 2-1.
Be so mu 2-1.
Yes. Me na me ka tro ya.
But also what didn't change yes.
Yeah, because I saw it about yesterday when we see Saudi Arabia and Tunisia against Denmark. Because I believe, for example, today, the way Moroccans handle the Croatians, it is a very fantastic game. But I believe it tomorrow, Ghana is going to win. Maybe 2-1 or 1-0. But I hope Ghana will have a strong squad. I believe it, Ghana will win.
It was say Osha group here can we qualify from the group? And they qualify kwa him far any bit me do.
Oh, you bet me a qualify your group we. But you be quenim. Your money be chere baby a. But if me feel say your first match in there, I was here in your first match. You be quenim. Koreans in there be show money you go for there. Omo dey be to omo te.
So Ghana will win all 3 matches. We will qualify. I hope you go to quarter final. No, semi final will be there. Semi final, quarter final. At least Ghana will go to the final. Because 2010, when we see what happened in 2010, I believe this year Ghana will go forward.
What was some empire as some case because born ever born easy by Yamene by Yamo baby or Portugal or Sawi by him part there made me die a smoker 3-1 Portugal by share 3-1
Portugal share Ghana
by a qualify your next match no your best back about draw back by a qualify by 3-1 Portugal by share 3-1.
What do you guys group never qualify? It's a qualify even if you run of 16 and I say quarter and I say between crack or and I say between crack or finals.
Oh, you bet last eight said South Africa then Sana this year be expectation you be drew last eight. I know a quarter final.
They always say we do quarter final.
Yeah, we drew say we do quarter final because born there 3-1. Collect 3-1. 4 goals in BP.
Oh, really? You bet my manable so say football. Because so they will be at my bin and so cry first time I said the could be. See bit my manable so.
You can say predict the score line I'll be pretty the same.
Oh, okay, score line there is all be predict but me hope say be Ghana bet maybe a 1 day win be and now draw be.
Inti ebuza say Osha Ghana a group where many players say we are. You bet me go beyond the group stages.
Oh, you bet me say players no say big teams could win as I as Champions League mo bobi. It's no dey bet me.
So Osha be do him for as Ghanian.
Oh. In round 16.
Bet me akọ round 16.
Your favorite boss player, I'm a governor funds and accessories. I want to do to mobile phones. And we'll be a shocking results appear worldwide. If you see baby, I'll be a shocking. Now go for commenting say tattoo boys no. Asade there. The tattoo boys at Argentina. Messi Mone, Di Maria, many or go the poor women tattoo boys. Over good pen mass, but Yam right him. Ghana, your best air draw number of China game no.
Your best air draw.
Your best air draw. Your best to do because we had the likes of Ghana players now. You go keep inside and you problem kakra because sir Lawrence Atizigino. I say or like some number 1 or 2 things.
You did one.
Yeah, you need to deal with him. Because I prefer than lad more than Atizigi. What you say? Because than lad we are consistent so much. What you say? Oh, Premier League, local blaster, those kind of animal. And you know, maybe prefer say Ghana your best crab air draw. Your best crab air draw, and number one game. No, because Portugal for ahead of Ghana for totally.
In the business, would you say bet me qualify for a group near one?
Oh, you bet me qualify. Ghana bet me qualify. By a qualifying, never qualify. And the 3 points never qualify.
3 points.
3 points. Because we analysis now, Portugal, Portugal, about 9 points. Nina, it's Nanko Pomboa. You bet me draw. Say to draw Portugal. Yeah, okay, but I am Portugal. You better lose me near winning back.
Do you say lose me near winning?
Yeah, South Korea the best show. Uruguay best share because the life of 40 about the money is uncle for no ball more born near the no. By qualify by 3 maximum points may qualify. Trust me.
Me friend me nana pon me kasa free my staff phone shop edum kumase. An born o chenya me aduma said you know see na Saudi Arabia no be anim so betimi Argentina no. Ye bomb pie say yen so e players no musu betimi ameki wonders no musu otimi share Portugal man intimi there you betimi a 2-1 bi na say 1 will be am I
you betimi a 2-1
oh you betimi a 2 na say 1 yeah no be anim Saudi betimi Argentina but as a sign by intimi so ye bomb pie say you betimi a 2 na say 1 be near qualify but any Portugal na qualify you go any South Korea because adia Suarez the year no you betwi aneka enti esa be se no near you from Portugal and be qualify.
It's me because I say your group name woman. You bet me. You also you qualify. To you bet me. Anything you bet me drew. Say be a semi-finals and a quarters and a round of 16. We are even
this time you bet me do semi-final. You bet me do semi-final. Yeah.
If I show me head the Saudi Arabia the year put Argentina na. Me gonna need the me empire me want say nyame adoma a China. Ghana yesu yen she Portugal sa me dem ni say yesu say Argentina elusu yen sa so na Portugal ebelusu enti Ghana man nyina no yen for support enta blaster echi e ta omochi a enkrude ba ma Ghana e manager ma Ghana nyina
nti wo hwa scores na be say
me de me say Ghana betima she 2-1 against Portugal
2-1 against Portugal
bachan
okay nti ye buza say your group near one wo say betima qualify for your group ni na say qualify kran pa hwa himfa eni beju
group with the ebedi Ghana na ebedi kan ebedi first ebedi qualify
ebedi first
pacha ebedi first ebe qualify the qualify so a Ghana World Cup ye bo finance Ghana finance no obi ahwe Ghana say Ghana bo finance
we are sure
me sure pa say Ghana bo
we are sure say bo finance
Ghana bo finance because we hear the Saudi Arabia the Argentina na Saudi Arabia so ye bo boss wo monti Ghana ebedi ma Portugal ye say wo so a ye bo finance
simple krama Ghana say ma Portugal for Ose Argentina no obianim say born here simple more. Na we Saudi for so a Qatar for ye. The Ecuador for ye. Ti no obianim say Saudi Arabia for so dey. E be show more simple but we am coach na. Coach why are West Africa dey ba or best. I say Saudi for coaching your best. Ti we o to adon so a o Dortmund we wono. Nema wo ye so a o say otimi bi ma Ghana. But Ghana no say am say boys on go ball no. E bi Europe, e bi so Africa for players. Ti o say Europe for near more. I say because Portugal for players e bi ebra ana Ghana so drop players for any see for every match no sanso Portugal for to drop Ronaldo they will say the way our boys in ball no commitment near adwuma bibia kama e say Portugal for 2-0 but ball there e 2-0 Portugal be show mu 2-0
e Portugal 2-0
straight I will say show mu 2-0 because Portugal be free mu so your group is any better top
hey
serious your group
where serious predictions now making
yes now ball no e 2-0 what they also me boa and number of for go be ball ni bi e 2-0 make my prepare to score players with bash go sa ho no prepare to score I film because Ghana the way boys in film no always Swiss match na always my now we play the bench and we play some ball no we just good bench pathetic bench good steady bench if you can say you can say player you cry has player your boy Bani good but still na press the bench almost aboma must have been born the ball here play to score there so pass me the more me the amount play to score a simple cry e correct score 2-0 first half 1 second half 1 It's simple cry.
Okay, it's a group here woman. So say what in can say you be top, you be qualify. Okay, bet me drawing here.
Oh, your group ready, you qualify for your group stage now. Semi quarter final, as I recall. The final I say they do one.
We do final.
Vim. The answer coach me na vim. That's the lessons one here. And one here. Coaching is a lesson one here, my ya. And one born here also or drop Jordan. No one did you name. On drop Jordan because the one that try bench boy. No, we have him. I mean, the Obi count. Only a coach. To the Obekano and our money players in here. And a party only parties who cut because Pate Africa, a bubble different. Or our party of Africa, born or more serious. But Korea, Bobo, the pass, Africa, and my pass or more. But also Africa, almost yes, African Albano. Obo, I can't say, wake up on a team who are two. But always Obo Bunquano, M1, to wake up there. Or some of film. And a Barbara man, so any sweet for match in you. Now, President Edwin said, Baba one any idea. But Swiss match, or chair says, still now, Baba man. The bomb price and yes match, and Kinton on my heavy behind your camera. And I guarantee you, pray because wake up, in your film. Because boys who money there, so against 40 hours. Me and so we may support you for now. We not do so. Only no crowd, Messi, pressure that was to dig. I know that don't have much in you. In you actually go to a son who say go. Tell say my new question, the friends is very good because the Kune. I'm at tennis, I lose mono, me prayers, and you money every. And I tease again so. Why we keep us no, and yet but normal. You have been too much ever fat.
I bet me, Nemo, the coach in S. or any say, Oma Jordan, you at a bench. Now, Oma, the day you bought. So, my the day you Jordan, you bench. No, my boys, and your man who didn't physical, a bar. You better we can say Portugal.
We did say Portugal.
We did say Portugal.
You guys must score line. I must say.
Oh, you better Portugal. Born a bit 2-1 against Portugal.
You was say your group here woman. Would you say bet me qualify every group? That's about qualify. Come by him for you.
Oh, you bet me qualify. Adru. Say to 2 and you bet me qualify to semi-finals.
I was semi-final. We are sure pa.
We are sure pa.
Okay.
Say commitment no ye nyina ye kan bom na oman na kuma eso man nyina so kan ya dwene bom a e betima koye nim
ah e be ya kra wana abro so e be ya wana abro so be show mo 3-0 o mo timi show akokla
e be show mo say
3-0
o ya sure
Korea score 3-0 boys o mo twanto Korea score 3-0 Ghana
it was say o sha infani betimi adu with your squad the any World Cup
the squad there one of 16 year betima akokla so cup ni there we are cup no big teams no dey intimate in Japan no if you next 4 years dey and wait me dey na this part dey one of 16 e betim akwadu
babro so kra me ware she mu e boys rim ko dey o message the time no e no mo youth what this time boys na mo akoma no because of akoma no to metumi ni o marane Ghana be she of course
you got some prediction about my prediction say
oh maybe 2-0
for Ghana.
2-0 for Ghana, yes.
You say, Osha, Ghana, if I bet me a call, your group will bet me a film, you bet me a dream. Then be your West, and I didn't bet me your best performance. And that's your best stage.
Round of 16, you bet me a draw.
Bet me a draw.
By all means.
Say, I am born in Binshet. But I found soon a born. Dear Selma, Munya, what you want. Near born in Binshet, I wake up there, your shallow phone so. We are seeing an airbo. Dear Selma, GTV, a Selma. Omo hwe kon be fa so a ebenya bo ni bia hwe na nya se ye bre ye tempenten kwa na ye hwe no fon so no omo me hwe omo jiskana di tumo so omo jiskana so a omo ma ye wu so fon so na ye hwe no so omo jiskana so adi omo ma ye wu because ebi sida 2014 ye hwe 18 kwa na Ghana nim kwa ye hwe bi adeti na we 2022 na ye hwebo na hwe no fo so
kata ya de ka
omunya bibi mfa ho emfisa amele nkosi next week no omunya bibi mfa ho enye se Ghana bo nkwa no mbe yam ya hwe nyini nyina me nhwe bi na omunya se hwe no fo so
yo mine sika ye nyina yo mine sika ento omunyimi anhwe omunya part
now okay kakra metima kan say what happened yesterday in eye opener to countries are more participating in the World Cup that we cannot underrate any country. Gone are the days and in football there. We have some specific countries or muna. Yeah, Cabo once more ya deal hono. Sisi and Entesa. Quite apart from that, Ghana also established needing in World Cup tournament. Into any team bia obesha Ghana bia will not underrate Ghana. And I believe that if you look at the competition between Cyril and Messi, the failure of one is a success to one. So one wants to prove to others, hey, I'm the best. So for Messi, Argentina losing to Saudi Arabia will even inspire Cyril to up his game to make sure so also bet my establishing or break it, So I think going forward and quite apart from that, the victory for Ghana, the match between Ghana and Switzerland, has really given a kind of picture. Say people can now know the pattern Ghana play. Unlike Senan Kebi a bit Makase, because before say tournament, normal rate is Ghana, the country and but country on Russia Portugal, now watch national tour. Eye opener to each and every country or participating.
Do you have much scoreline?
For me to predict the scoreline will be very difficult, but I do believe, looking at the post-match, between Ghana and Switzerland, the weather in Qatar, a bit favor African teams. So it depends on how Ghanians will capitalize on the weather, and a bit determine the outcome of the game. But for me to predict, say, a 2-1, 2-0, we leave it in the hands of tomorrow.
Do you have your group? You bet me, I qualify for your group. If I qualify, I ain't funny beat me.
Predicting say I qualify and I say I qualify, very difficult to me because for now on football, and China predictable. Nobody ever predicted Saudi Arabia. They are not known in football. Was called, Argentina, whilst Messi was playing. So I think one of the most difficult or competitive grouping, World Cup, Ghana group. Now there's going to be a revenge. The revenge is between Ghana and Uruguay. The revenge is going to be Ghana and Portugal. So you see, if you look carefully into the groupings now, Ghana group one of the most competitive grouping. So I think we leave it in the hands of the players and Utuado, because on also selection people has really bashed him. So you should not sit down for you to lose. The grouping stage. I think that they should make it there.
So the binamo etima nina hiyama emodembo because the could be no mas will be a qualified cobia no be agent who deserted or call you be prepared at the manemai. Instead of Saudi Arabia for almost think it so maybe be at the moment till a moment to me that share among opponents. And the officers are Ghana, you don't want with my visa.
You guys have predicted scores for the match. I will predict saying
as a good setting, I got to be 2-1.
2-1 for Ghana.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there a group where you ma? You bet me qualify free your group ni. You bet qualify so I have for Ghana beju.
I mean, the mean Casabia, because I can't say any echo. Because will be over hobby or qualify Babiano. Now it's all copy prepared about other commander mine. Until the media may wish you better say with my queen. If it's a couple go with back, I can make a manager Hosa. The more men do across to echo. So I ran 16 as the Crana. Menreggie.
Oh, you would do depending coach, because all Nyaku could draw. No, my selection over, come out. We say they didn't know, we didn't feel say, oh, no drop on one. Boy, be a first half from home, will be a year, maybe or don't be them cry now, feel say, boy, because. I am my who born in the sea. They say, or to me, would know, yes, I have a boy.
Okay, Tibusa said, Osha Ghana, you be doing him walk up.
Oh, dear Cornelia, because Argentina and Saudi Arabia, we feel say, I feel wake up, surprise, baby, because they need say, Argentina. Bit me Lucia, and Tiama Ghana for a hope be say Portugal bit much of
me. Do saying of walk.
If you say be a best semi-final, the bit me do.
Semi-final, I'm watching our prediction there saying.
Oh, a bit my bobe 2-1.
2-1 for Ghana.
For Ghana.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.